Well, this has been quite a accomplishment. I've been working with Automation Studio from Fanuc and also the Auto-didrect domore PLC simulator because I'm at home. I don't have access to PLCs, the regular Allen Bradleys that we use. So anyway, I did this video and I did this project. I want to demonstrate it to you right now. So over here is my PLC code using the domore PLC simulator. So that's a domore designer right there, and the actual simulator, is that with the input output and such. But I'm not using wired input output. I'm actually using Modbus TCP for my input output. So these are Modbus contacts, coils. Okay, these are Modbus coils over here, and also Modbus inputs, also using a couple of bit registers as well. Okay, so that's the PLC code, and here is Automation Studio. So Automation Studio has a pneumatic cylinder that's going to go in and out, and multi-way valve, pneumatic valve. So the incoming air in the middle is right now blowing the cylinder, the piston that way. And this has a solenoid on each end, call them A- and A+ solenoids, which move this valve. So those solenoids are controlled by these via Modbus. Now we're not going directly through from Automation Studio to the PLC. We actually go through OPC, and the OPC input outputs defined. Okay, so this computer here is running both Automation Studio and OPC server. I also have a client for testing. So it's quite a complex system. So I'm going to start the simulation. So here's the simulation ready to go. So I'll push the start button, and you'll see that the cycle light, it's running. The running light is on, and you'll see the cylinder moving forward and backwards, driven by these solenoids. Okay, and here is the PLC program running and driving those solenoids, reading the inputs. Okay, so we've got PLC, we've got OPC in between, and we've got Automation Studio. So what you can do with this is pretty well limitless. It's limited based on your imagination and your perseverance, as is always the case. So I've got a little bit of problem with my code right now. There's a stop cycle that's supposed to initiate when I push the stop button, and it's supposed to bring the cylinder back to the home position. So I've got a little bit of debugging in my PLC code, but as you can see, when I push the button, I've got the stop button. I've got to do a little bit of debugging on why the stop cycle doesn't work quite right. But anyway, I will fix that. Yeah, so I'll get the stop cycle working next. But anyway, I just wanted to demonstrate this.